Peace, family. Let's read the weekly market story. If you look today, I have an MMS chart pulled up, and if you look at MMS chart, we had a nice consolidating week last week. Price didn't react to the previous week high or the previous week low, but the key thing is we below the 9 MMA and we above the 21 MMA. So coming into this week, I either want to see price break below this previous week low right here and retest this previous week low, or we're gonna get back above this 8 MMA to test these previous week highs up here. And if we go down to the daily, if you see here on the daily, price that came and made a nice engulf right here. So if we wanted to, we can draw this field right here and see prices just pulling back into these levels right here. So coming into Monday, I either want to see right here, this is a consolidated candle right here. So it's a mother bar with consolidated. So we either want to see a break and retest, test those levels up there, or we either want to see it come down here, break and retest, and test this level down here. That's what we're looking for MMS. And if you go down to the 4-hour chart, if you can see it right here, they have a consolidation double wick, broke above the 8 MMA, but we closed back under the MMA. So either you want to see price reject this 50 line right here and take a bull continuation back up, or if we break this previous week low line right here, continue down for bearish continuations. So those right there is the levels for MMS. Let's go to M2K. Look at M2K. M2K had another consolidation week right here. We've got double wicks on both sides of the candle right here, but it's above the 21 and the 8 MOA, and it's wicking off the 8 MOA. So we got a pin bar, consolidated level right here. So coming into the week, I either want to see price get back above this previous week high and this weekly rejection level right here for continuation to all-time highs. But or we can get it under this previous week low to test this level right here. Those two scenarios. But if you see on M2K, I got my fib drawn from this last week Fridays, the previous week Friday and go. And if you see prices just pull back right here, so this is the big indication right here. Either we bounce back up and reject off this 50 line to retest Friday, Thursday, and Wednesday's levels of last week, or we're going to break up under the previous week low and continue for bearish continuations. So that is the two key scenarios right there. The key is to watch the previous week low and the previous week high coming into Monday. If we go to gold had a consolidation week last week. If you see, we have a nice pin bar right here off the 8 MMA. I really think that gold is going to have a nice run this week. Got an 8 MMA right here. Pin bar rejecting off of it. We got a consolidation counter that closed above the close of last week. So I want to see price retest this and go on a nice run. You see, we can consolidate. So either price can break out of here and retest this level right here, or price can come down here and test this Friday level down here. So those are the next two key scenarios to watch for gold right there. Put a Y right there. And let's go to NMQ. We go to NMQ. NMQ had a consolidating week right here, but the thing with NMQ is we below the 8 MMA and the 21 MMA. So that's crucial right there. That's showing bearish. It's bearish for the week right now. So if we go down to the daily, Got this nice engulf right here. So like I say, same thing with this one right here, this consolidation candle right here. We do want to see it break above here, retest, and trail up to this New York event level right here. So you do want to see it break, try that level up there, or if not, come back down here, come back there and test those levels. If we go down to the 4 hour, price is still bearish though. So we want to see price to get back above Friday levels, retest it, and test this New York event level, and retest these Thursdays level and the previous week high level right there. But if we get below this previous week low level, we can soon retest this level right here, 24.7, that level. And if we look at the economic calendar this week, coming into Monday, Monday. We don't have no red photo news coming into Monday. So I expect Monday to either be a continuation bearish day or we're going to pull back and go bullish for the Monday. But I don't think Monday is going to be a crucial high volatile momentum Monday. But Japan do have GDP growth right now. So Japan, we could see some movement in Japan at 5 o'clock today on Sunday. So based off this Japan level and what Japan do will give exactly what Monday will do. But so far, we don't have no news. And those are the levels. Always remember, family, to put a stop loss, take the capital. And always remember to trade smart, trade with discipline, put a stop loss, and protect the capital. Peace, family.